So I already ate a piece. We're at Pizza House in Sukhothai. It's really close to the Airbnb. This is a beef hamburger. It looks like they actually have it inside the bun. So they cooked it inside the bun. They have a wood fire oven too. I already ate the lasagna, but yeah, the lasagna was good. Pizza's pretty good, so I was surprised. It's not a thick pizza, but it's really difficult to get the pieces apart because the cheese is so gooey, which is a good thing. All right, and the fries are really, really warm and crinkly. Okay, the burger's the main thing I wanted to see. So I guess I'll show it when it's open as well. So just quickly, this is what it looks like inside when it's open. It's different. Alrighty.